see why they left it as tornado possible. This little edge down here still has a bit of broad rotation with it. Like there. Yeah, there's still a little bit of hope with this. We could. Really could. Thank you. What remains of a tornadic supercell in northwest Missouri. Right now we are coming towards Bedford, Iowa. You've got a little bit of a wall cloud starting to form. Actually, this is forming up fairly rapidly. We might get another tornado here. Yeah, we'll see. We're following this bad boy. That's a good inflow. Right in there, guys. That's what you want to see when you're looking for a tornadic wall cloud starting to form. Oh yeah, filmed that, dude. That's kicking in quick. That's kicking in real quick. We're staying with it. Oh man, that's coming together quick. That's genuinely beautiful. We might have a tornado here in a moment.
That little edge right there, right?
The bowl in the middle.
Okay.
That's your inflow.
Alright. Oh, okay, I see it going up.
Yeah, dude, this is forming now. Continue your filming. If you need to change angles, just let me know and do it.
I think I'm fine here.
That is a stout wall cloud. Okay, it's gonna cross the road. We're gonna turn around.